See, all these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are accurate teams. Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between ISL versus LAH by using our team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data, and based on that data we will use our software to generate the Grand League winning teams. So I have already created a Telegram channel. Those who don't know about it, please go ahead and join in that channel, because I will provide you some of the details, and those who want to know about the software, I will provide you the updates and all the stuff regarding the software in the Telegram channel. So please join in that channel. So let's come to the point now and let's analyze the data here. So the probable playing 11 for the today's match between ISL versus LAH will be, from the ISL side, Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro, Rohel Nazir, Shadab Khan, Asif Ali, Hussein Talat, Ahmad, Akif, Javed, Hassan Ali, Muhammad Musa and Muhammad Wasim from ISL side. And from the LAH side, Fakhar Zaman, Sohail Akhtar, Muhammad Faizan, Muhammad Hafiz, Ben Dunk, Tim David, James Faulkner, Rashid Khan, Shaheen Afridi, Ahmad Danial and Aris Rauf from the LAH side. So these are the probable playing 11. So you have to again check, because playing 11 might change. A few players, 2 to 3 players or 1 to 2 players might change, so you have to be careful about that. And let's analyze the top players from both the sides. So these are the top players from ISL side. Colin Munro, Shadab Khan, Hassan Ali and Usman Khawaja are in good form, and they are more likely to perform well in today. As well as from LAH side, Fakhar Zaman, Muhammad Hafiz, Rashid Khan and Ben Dunk can be the top players from LAH side. And let's analyze some of the top batsmen at this particular pitch. So Colin Munro, T David, B Dunk, Usman Khawaja, F Ashraf, and F Ashraf might play or might not play because he have injury, and S Akhtar are at good touch at this particular pitch. You can see the data here from the batsman section and from the bowler section. So these are the top bowlers at this particular venue. So Rashid Khan, Faulkner and Hassan Ali, Musa, Rauf and S Khan are the top players, top bowlers from in this particular pitch. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch here, and you can expect anything around 158 runs is the average score. And one thing you should remember here is that the team which is going to bowl first have higher winning chances. But for example, here you can see 80% of the teams which bowl first have won previously. So we can expect, according to this data, so the team which is bowling first you need to favor in your fantasy teams. For example, so let's analyze some of the specific data in our software, so that we can win the Grand Leagues easily. So the specific data will be, so if you want to generate risky Grand League teams, you can go for 95 to 100 or 96 to 100 or anything like that. And if you want standard Grand League teams, you can go for around 98 to 100. And if you want teams for small leagues and head-to-head leagues, you can go for 99 to 100 or 99.5 to 100 as the total team credit range. And also we can see ISL is equivalent to LAH, so we can favor both of them. For example, ISL we can go for 6 players from ISL and 5 players from LAH, as well as 5 players from ISL and 6 players from LAH. You can also favor only one team. For example, after the toss, for example, LAH won the toss, then and elected to bowl first, then you can take all the 7 players from LAH and only 4 players from ISL, because we seen that the team which is bowling first is getting positive result. So you can think like that. And also some of the strategies here you can see, these are the strategies that are going to work today. So because these are the strategies, if you want to include your strategies, that is completely up to you, and that is fine also. So these are the strategies: 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 4 bowlers, as well as 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and and also 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These are the strategies. So all the data that we have discussed, let's use this data and use our software to generate the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how the software look like, and those who don't know about this software, those who want the software, details of the software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below as well as in the comment section below. So first of all, this is the software, and this software can be used for multiple fantasy applications, for example Dream 11, My Team 11, MPL, etc. So first of all, click on cricket here, and after that generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy. Here I'm choosing Dream 11, and after that continue, and we have plenty of series are available. Now I'm going to select PSL, and after that continue, and we need to choose the type of generation. Here there are 3 types of generations. The first 2 sections are for those beginners. I mean those who don't have much knowledge on fantasy, they can go for it, because software will take care of everything from captain to vice captain, everything, all the strategies will be taken care by the software. And this is the third section, advanced generation section, in which we are going to use our skills and along with the software to generate even more better teams. So we are going to select advanced generation section here, and we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. The match is in between LAH versus ISL, and after that continue, and we need to give the match number, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. And by the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. So you can give any match number. Let me give 40 as the match number, and after that continue, and you can see all the players are listed here, and these players are new to me. Actually PSL is new to me, that's why you need to select at least 6 players from each team. Remember that you can select at least 6. That means you can select all the 11 players from both the teams. That means I am going to select all the 22 players to generate the teams for me. So I am going to select all the 22 players. So the PSL is actually new to me, that's why I am going to select by watching the list that I have provided. So I am going to select all the players by watching this list. So let me select quickly. So here I have selected all the 11 players from both the teams, and after that we need to click on continue, and here you need to select the fixed players. Here fixed players means whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every generated team. So if you are very sure about if you are very sure about one person, or for example some players, then you have to select in this section. For example here if you think Colin Munro will definitely score good runs today, then you can go with then you can fix him in your teams. And also if you think Fakhar Zaman also will play well, you can also fix him. And here I don't want to fix any player, because I am going to go for some risky Grand League teams, because risky Grand League teams will have higher chances of getting some good ranks. So I don't want to select any player. I just leave this section, and after that continue. And after that you need to select the captain selection. So you can select some of the players I have given, and according to your prediction also you can select some players here. So let me quickly select some of the players, and so these are the players from my side, and after that continue, and we need to select the vice captain as well. So let me quickly select all the vice captain potential players. You can select any number of players, all the players also you can select. That is completely your strategy. This is the place where your strategy comes into picture. And so let me quickly select the players, and after that continue. And team partition strategy, I have already given you in the slides as well, that we are going to go with 6-5 and 5-6. And after that you need to give the credit range. So you can give any credit range. I have already explained the credit range. So I am going to go with 98.5 to 100 as the credit range. You can also decrease to 98 also, that is also fine. And after that continue, and we need to select the at least one strategy. You can select all the strategies here, but at least one is important. So I have given 3 in the slides, so let me quickly select them. So these are the strategies. So after that, continue, and we need to give the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams between 1 to 3333 teams, but you don't need that many teams. Actually, you just need 11 teams or even less than that in order to crack the Grand League. So I'm going to generate 11 teams here. So and after that, generate teams. So you can see the teams are generated. You can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are accurate teams. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.